G'day everyone, and welcome to a long overdue update on the progress of the Taipan board. In this video I want to show you the heart of the board, the motor control. Now, after much testing and having a look around, we've come up with this will form the basis of the motor control for the Taipan. This is the motor control board. Now, the things we like about this design, it's got a nice, these are all the FETs that control the motor. Plenty of space there for cooling. We can mount a fan on top or put a big heat sink on top. This board will supply up to 50 amps maximum, usually about 20 amps, so it'll be plenty to run those big heavy all-metal Tiger tanks that some of you guys have. On this board we have the the middle two terminal blocks there are the outputs for your motor. This is the input from your battery, and this supply here will probably be missing on the final edition. Okay, so that's the motor control board for the Taipan. Here we have one set up and a little bit of the controller system, and what I wanted to show you was what I'm trying to really get with the Taipan is really good motor control, nice acceleration, deceleration and scale speed. So I'll fire everything up and show you where we are at. Okay, I'll just give it some power. Now, I've set the LEDs up. This LED here, that one right there, should probably will be the headlight LED. So I find that if you turn on your tank, you want to know that it's on, so the headlights will come on and stay solid. This will tell you, well, power's on to your tank, but your radio transmitter is not on. So I'll just turn on my radio transmitter. Now once your radio transmitter is on and the unit is receiving signal from your radio, the headlight will flash, much like your standard headlong that I'm sure you're all familiar with. So when the headlight's flashing, it tells you that your system is ready to be turned on. So we'll just turn it on. And when we turn it on, we have a solid light. Now that's the same as it not being on, I guess, but when we have the sound system connected up, of course that will be greeted as soon as you turn your tank on with the engine start sound. We haven't got the sound system set up, obviously. I'll have a video of that soon enough. Okay, so how does the motor control system perform? Okay, so hopefully you can see the motors here. We'll just try a nice slow start. As you can see, very nice. We increase the speed here up to maximum speed, and then we'll just back off again. There, I think that's quite a good range of control there. Another feature that we really wanted on Taipan was really slow movement, so I'll try and get these motors moving as slow as we can. I think that's pretty good control. I don't think many options around offer you that slower speed. And when you whack it right up, the acceleration comes into play. We don't get immediate full throttle. It takes a while for the motors to speed up to full throttle. And just back off again. Back down to a really slow speed. Okay, there. So I'm fairly happy with that. I think that's a good amount of speed control we'll have there with the Taipan. The other quick thing I want to show you is we'll have as standard a reverse light. The second LED you can see here, that one turns on as soon as you throw throttle into reverse. So I'll just go into reverse. There we go. And as soon as we're into reverse, we'll have option for a reverse light. There we go. So yeah, that's the latest update for the Taipan. These boards are all available, but the control board that we have here, that will be turned into a circuit board obviously, and that board itself will mount underneath. As you can see, we've got the 4 holes here, so there will be a second board of approximate size, and you'll simply slot your control board on top of the main processing board. So the unit will probably be about, say, that high and a little bit bigger than this. So that should be about the approximate size of the first Taipans. Well, that's all we have for this update. Thank you very much for watching, and as I said, hopefully the first prototype boards will be available before Christmas. Thank you.